This 2024 Keystone Springdale 281RK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Perry, Iowa, 50220 and is offered for sale by McKee RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, slide-out, and 48 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear kitchen, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.